Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sync iPhone. If you're using iPhone and you want to sync your iPhones, let's see how you can do that. You have to simply open your settings app here, then tap on your Apple ID here, and you just have to select your iCloud and then select Save to iCloud. And you just have to select for which you want to sync to your iCloud. So here I've got iCloud photos, your drive, mail, your passwords and much more. You must have to enable this which you want to sync, and once you have done, your iCloud will be automatically, your iPhone will be automatically synced. So in this way you can easily sync your iPhone, or if you want to sync your iPhone with any iPad, so you must have to make sure that you have same Apple ID in your iPhone and also in your iPad. And once you have done or logged in same Apple ID, your iPhone will be synced with your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.